Welcome to the Daily Message. My name is Sandy, and I wanted to share my story with you. I moved to O'Fallon years ago after I got divorced, and I needed to go a new direction, start my life over. And I was looking for a church that would help me find a new way to go. And I decided to come to St. Nicholas. I was always drawn to the Catholic Church because I sent my son to a Catholic high school. And it seemed to do so much for him and for me at the time, even though I didn't realize what I was all getting from it. And once I came over to a service and I was at a mass listening to Father Bill, he has such a way of reaching to everyone's heart. There's always something that you can take away from the Mass. And I thought, I think I have found my home here and someone that's going to be able to help me go forward. And then once I met Barb, that was in charge of the adult classes, to be able to join the Catholic Church, and I met the office staff who were so warm and friendly that I knew I was going in the right direction. I started my classes and I felt every week there was something to take away from the classes. I could see my faith growing again that I felt had stopped for a while. I felt everything there was to move forward with. I had confidence again. And I think what I love the most about St. Nicholas is besides the staff being so friendly, Father Bill is always accessible to any time you would need him. Any questions for the staff, they're always there. I made friends, and I found that with St. Nicholas, there's so many opportunities. If you need quiet time in your own personal spiritual growth, the weekday morning masses in the chapel are very peaceful and quiet. They can fill your heart for the day. I feel like the classes that are available and the Bible studies help you personally grow. And then if you can get out and look at all of the outreach programs that our church offers to reach the community and feel like you're doing your service and you're showing God's love the best way you can. It's all here at St. Nicholas. Whatever you need, I feel like it's a way to grow. And the fellowship is unbelievable on what people can give and will help you. So for me, this has been a great home and a great start for my life. And I will always be thankful for St. Nicholas for being there when I needed him. Have a great day. Bye.